For the first time in India's history, legal assistance will be now provided proactively to the families of soldiers. The new initiative titled Nalsa Veer Parivar Sahayata Yojana 2025 is aimed at relieving Indian soldiers from their domestic legal burdens while they serve in harsh terrains and far-flung regions. In the landmark judicial move, the message is, you serve the country at the borders and we will take care of your family at home. Now, NDTV spoke to Supreme Court Senior Judge Justice Surya Kant. Let's in fact listen in.
We have Justice Surya Kant, who is Executive Chairman of National Legal Service Authority, Senior Most Judge of Supreme Court and next Chief Justice of India. Sir, it's a big event. What do you say about this? What is the event and what you want to do?
Yes, thank you very much, Ashish. First of all, I will convey my thanks to NDTV for giving full coverage at the nationwide to this event. This is on this historical day, which is also known as Kargil Vijay Divas. The National Legal Service Authority has launched a unique scheme that is known as Veer Parivar Sahayata Yojana 2025. This scheme is essentially meant for providing legal aid, legal assistance, legal advice, and any type of assistance in the legal form to the families of our Veer Jawans, our army personnel and paramilitary personnel who are, by unique nature of their duties, are posted at faraway places. They are in the remote areas. They are not in a position that in the event of any case filed against them or their family members with respect to any civil dispute or any kind of dispute, they are not in a position to go back and avail the quality legal assistance. And in that case, they should not feel that they will be left alone, and their privas, their families, their elder parents, or maybe their homemakers and their school-going children. So in this backdrop and in what has really been happening, so we just thought that it's our duty to come forward to reach out and provide them this unique quality legal assistance through this unique scheme.
In Srinagar, with camera person Amir Bhatt, Ashish Bhargav for NDTV.